You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is how to convert text to image and then image to text. Basic concept of this application is as follows. First of all, we will convert text into ASCII codes and then store these ASCII codes into a list. Next, we will convert this list to one-dimensional NumPy array. Next, we will resize this one-dimensional array to two-dimensional array using NumPy resize function. Then we will convert this 2D array to binary data using PIL library. And then we will save these binary data into a PNG image using PIL library. And last, we will show this image using OpenCV. Next, we will reverse all steps and convert image to text. I am using Anaconda command prompt for the installation of necessary packages. Here my environment is Anaconda and editor is Spider. Let's start coding. First package is Pillow, that is the advanced version of PIL package. In Anaconda command prompt, base is my virtual environment. I am using pip manager for the installation of Pillow package. We will write pip install Pillow command. You must have high speed internet. Second package is OpenCV. Here we will use CV2 class for the displaying of image. Here I am using Conda manager for the installation of OpenCV. Write command conda install -c Anaconda OpenCV. It will take 30 seconds to install OpenCV. Third package is time. Here we will use sleep function for the insertion of delay between two statements. Write command pip install time. Fourth package is math, that is the internal package of Python, so there is no need to install this package. Last, fifth package is NumPy, that will be used to handle arrays. Write command pip install NumPy. We have installed all the necessary packages. Now come to our Spider editor. First of all, we will import all the necessary packages. Here we are using image class of PIL package, that is the part of Pillow package. Now in public area of this application, we will input text from the user. Next, we will create a function that convert this text into a list of ASCII values. The name of function is text to ASCII. This function has only one argument, that is text. First of all, I will create a blank list. Then by using for loop, I will access characters of this text one by one and convert that character into a ASCII value using ORD function. Then append that ASCII value into a list. At last, return this list. Now we will call this function in main part and print the list. Now run the program. In output box, we will enter the text. Text is I love India. These are the ASCII codes of the characters written above. Next, we will create a function that will convert this list into an image. The name of function is array2image, and there is only one argument, that is list. In this function, first of all, we will create one-dimensional NP array by using function np.array. There are two arguments in this function. First one is list and second one is data type. Here we are setting data type integer art. That's range is 0 to 25 non-integer values. Next, we will calculate the size of array and store that value in n variable. Next, we will convert this one-dimensional array into a two-dimensional array using function resize. This function has two parameters. First one is array and second one is size. Size in the form of rows and columns. Here n is the number of rows and 100 is the number of columns. You can minimize 100 to 50 or any. Now we will generate binary data by using function of image class. The name of function is from array that has only single one parameter, that is array. Next, we will ask image name from the user. Image extension is PNG, and then we will save these binary data into a PNG image. JPEG format is not allowed. Next, I will insert 2-second delay before the displaying of new image. Now I will create a function that's name is show to display PNG image. Here I am using OpenCV that will display image in a pop-up window. First of all, we will read the image using function imRead and create an object. Next, we will display this image in a pop-up window by using function imShow. This function has two parameters. First one is image box name and second one is image object. Next, I will place wait key function for stopping abrupt closing of window. Last function is destroy all windows for releasing of memory occupied by the window. Next, I will call show function in array to image function body after the sleep command. Now we will call array to image function in public main part. I will execute all these functions in a if conditional block where I will ask from the user whether they want to convert text to image or not. We have created first part of this program where we convert text to image. Now run the program. Now in output window I am entering the text. My channel name is computer coding class. Next it will ask, do you want to convert text to image? And if you press yes, it will ask image name and convert this text into a PNG image. PNG image is a group of black pixels. Each pixel of this image is representing a single character of the text. You can transfer this image from one device to another device and no one can decode the original text from this image. Now in second part, we will convert image to text. First of all, I will create a function that will convert image to array. It has one parameter, that is picture. In this function, first of all, we will open the picture using image.open function. Image is the class of PIL package. Next, we will convert image to NumPy array using ageArray function of NumPy package. Next, I will calculate the size of array and then divide by 100 for calculating exact size of our text. Next, I will resize array from two-dimensional to single-dimensional array. Now this one-dimensional array contains only ASCII values. At the end of the function, we will return the array. Next, we will create a function that will convert ASCII array to text string. The name of function is ASCII to text and array is the parameter of this function. In this function, first of all, we will create a blank string that's name is S. Next, by using for loop, we will access each ASCII code of the array and then by using chr function, we will convert that ASCII code into an alphabet and then we will concatenate that alphabet with our blank string S. At the end of the function, we will return the string S. We have created all the functions. Now in public main area, we will ask from the user whether they want to convert image to text or not. If answer is yes, then in this block, first of all, user will input image name. Next, we will call function image to array and pass the picture in this function. Next, we will call function ASCII to text for conversion of ASCII array to text. Subsequently, we will print the text. This text is the decoded form of the image. At last, we will print successful message. We have created the application. Now I will run this application in Anaconda command prompt. First of all, it is asking for the text. I entered the secret text here. Now application is asking, do you want to convert text to image? I selected yes. Next, it is asking for the new image name. I wrote pin.png. Next, application converted this text into a PNG image and display this image in a pop-up window. It is very difficult to find out by anyone that this image is storing some text. After encoding, now we will decode this image into text. We selected yes, we want to convert image to text. Next, we will input image name and this application converted the image into a text. Accuracy is 100%. Now I am ending this tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.